This is Google Search Console. Same like this report. How can we set up? Now I am going to show you hotelmadarim.com. Here is a 185 web click, 6.8k impression, 11 page with first impression. And here is a page, top growing pages, which search in Google. And then here is a top performing pages, the hotelmadarim.com 174, hotelmadarim.com Arabic, and same like this detailed report. You want to check performance report. Here you will get total performance report, graphs and queries which you code or search as Madarim Hotel, Madarim Hotel Riyadh, Madarim Crown Hotel, and there is another word in Arabic. Same like this you will get in the graphs and by page, which page they visit our website. Here is all the details of our website, which page the visitors visit. If you want check by the country, also you will get which country the visitors come from more, or from which country they visit our website. After that you can get report by monthly, 24 hours, 7 days and 28 days, 3 months. Same like this you can view your report. Same like this report from where it set up, then you will get. I will show to in this video in our website how to set up, then get this report. Let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now I am on the Google site account. This is our dashboard. First click sign in and select your Google account which you want to use in Google console, and then sign in Google key and select what site key can access. Select all. See all, download your Google Analytics, view Google Tags Manager, everything. After select and continue. Now have a Google verification site ownership, because to verify your own Madarim Hotel, so verify, you should click on verify. After click verify, Google adds verification token and turn on your metric in your dashboard. Click on allow and set up Search Console. Click on Search Console, then you will go to set up Search Console. Then click on next. Then now you will get in side key connect analytics. Click on create account and log in through your Gmail. Continue. Again continue, just you read your information and then click on continue. And now creating account. This is a terms and condition from the Google Analytics terms and service agreement. Scroll down. and after all tick mark, then click on accept. Then I accept agreement and go to my dashboard. Now your Google site key complete. So now you can close, or if you want to click on add, so it's redirected to add for future advertisement. So now we are going to web stream details. Okay, just you accept all the agreement. Now we are in web stream details. Click on close and select the all options and save. Then you will get this personalized GA4 for your business. Select industry type. So our industry in a hotel, so food and drinks, because there is no hospitality. Now I select the food and drinks. Then this is the number of employees and business objectives. Select business objective from the list. So what type of business, what is your main objective? Select. So just check mark which type of business you want. Okay, you see, just one time select, another time remove. So it's enable, disable, same like this. So which one option you want to select, just tick mark on it. After complete, click on save. Then now your business is live.